Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Because they were checking my patients, and some of them were too extremely, happy about it. But it's not that I'm learning them and I'm faking it. It's actually learning them and then verbalizing the entire art
Correct.
of articulation.
A lot of time what happens is people have amazing profiles but they're not able to talk about it. If you cannot present yourself, you can't sell yourself to the panelist, you're out. Okay, so welcome on board, guys. Today we have Kiran with us, who is from Surat, and I'm Udaipur student who's finished first year, and it's lovely to have her on board. Welcome to our Real Humans of B School, Kiran.
Thank you so much, Anisha, for this warm welcome.
So then, how did you go about with this entire preparation for WAT and PR? Because that's something very different for IIMs.
Yes. So I already used to write, but this writing ability test is different in IIMs. They need your current affair knowledge or some quotation stuff, or you have to build a story when you are writing. Because they just have 1 odd minute to spend on a paper. They won't look at okay, this each and every line. They'll just scan it and just give you marks. So I figured out it right after my CAT exam, and I started writing. Like I told my sister, just give me any topic and I'll write. And when you write and when you read it, you will feel that okay, this is not up to the level. You have to always increase the bar.
Correct.
So I actually wrote things and I shared it with my professors and faculty and friends to check the grammar or check they can always give us some add-ons.
Yes.
That you could have also mentioned this 1998 wala war or something, any add-on, and this is
some
always,
different
this
perspective.
Yeah, they will actually give you something which you can really use on the very day of your exam.
Correct.
So this happened to me. On the exam day, I used the parts they have told me in GD, some numbers which they have communicated to me. I made sure that I am friends, I have friends who were preparing for UPSC, GPSC. GPSC is Gujarat Public. So they give you the history examples or something, present current affairs example, and this is very important because
Very
this shows that
interesting.
you are up to date. So
Very
this,
interesting.
make sure you do
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
That's very interesting to learn from people from different backgrounds, that you can incorporate that knowledge. So that's something which helped you in your WAT. But how about your personal interview? So what was your interview like? Did they ask you good, tricky questions, or it was like smooth and nice?
No. Smooth and nice. Never. I would say smooth
I
and
love
nice.
that expression you gave.
So I happened to go for 6 interviews. So they all were different. Some of them were too thrilling because they were checking my patients, and some of them were too extremely, happy about it. But then you have to know that whether they're serious or they're
They're
just
just doing it.
telling,
Yeah.
doing it. So you have to make sure that you're professional as well as smiling and friendly and as well as a knowledgeable person. So this I started along with the preparation of the this written ability test, and my professor told me in the beginning only that write the answers. It is important. I was of the opinion that you do not have to learn. You can say, they will ask me and I'll say, it's about me, I'll say. But it's not like that. And because of that, I think I messed up my first interview. Because when they were asking, I have to think and tell. So you have to note down things. Some are the very basic questions like why MBA, tell me something about yourself, or why after engineering. These are some of the basic questions. So I noted them down. I learned them, it's not that I'm learning them and I'm faking it. It's actually learning them and then verbalizing the entire art of
Correct.
articulation. So it's
Correct.
important. There are many questions I have just asked from different people that what the interviewer asked you, and I noted all the questions and I prepared the answers related to my life so that I can tell them my story, and I learned them by heart. And I prepared a priority order that what things should I tell them first, which will create an impression, and what things should, if not said, it's okay, it's fine.
Correct.
So, so if they ask me any question, then this priority order was running in my mind, and you just have to fit things
Correct.
in that particular question. So I did that, and it worked pretty well. And it's working these days also in MBA college also, that you have to set your priorities. That what, because person sitting in front is not interested in everything. You have to find out that what is something which will interest him.
Correct.
Something like you have done your internship in engineering, something like you have done a marketing course, or something like why are you interested in marketing. You should have a all background story for that, and it worked well. And I was asked even engineering questions, so I won't say that you can run away from your engineering. So
Okay.
my basics were pretty clear, and I learned them. I actually went through all the 30 subjects
Wow.
in the summary part, because I wanted to make sure that they will ask only one question. At least I can fit a summary of the subject, that this is what I have learned. So I know, even they know that you don't know entire thing, but
Obviously.
you have to showcase that you know something about what you have done in your
Yes.
4 years of graduation.
Yes.
So this is also important.
That's very nice, and the way you put it, kind of the interviews, writing it down. I think I recommend you should make a new diary of yours where you write down each and every expected interview questions, what you will answer, keep improvising your answers, and keep them handy with you, because that will help you in your placements, summer placements, final placements, all interviews as well, also in life, because that's what it is all about. It's all about you in a very well articulated. A lot of time what happens is people have amazing profiles, but they're not able to talk about it. If you cannot present yourself, you can't sell yourself to the panelist, you're out. So that's something which you have to definitely work on. Absolutely. So Kiran, out of all the interviews that you gave, which was the toughest interview for you?
MDI Gurgaon. It was the toughest.
Why was it the toughest?
Because out of 15 questions, I could answer only 2 questions.
Okay.
But yeah,
What
because
were the others based on?
They were all based on the population percentage
Oh my God.
and slabs and all. I mean, like what is the GDP percentage, China, US, and everything mixing up. I was so confused at the time of interview, and I just said, "Sorry, sir, I don't know." So when they asked me 2 engineering questions, I answered them very correctly in a detailed manner, and I cleared the interview.
Okay.
I was So this is very important piece of advice that so I cleared the HR interview. I was waitlisted for the this MDI part. Before that, I converted. I am Udaipur, and I didn't think of anything else then.
Nice.
So MDI HR I cleared because of that. I was pretty sure that I'm out in this particular thing, but because the one thing which I would like to tell you is that confidence is the key. You don't know, accept it. That's how it is done. Do not bluntly say that, sir, I don't know. But you can always say that I cannot recall it right now. I have read it somewhere else, or I will read it right after this.
Yeah.
So this ensures the confidence you have in yourself that you won't let it go.
Yes.
This is hurting your brain that you don't know, and you won't let it go. So things like this you should be prepared on. And I think I cleared this particular interview just because of the confidence. I like MDI HR was really difficult to crack. Like anything was difficult to crack in this particular interview.
Correct.
So it happened, and I'm very happy that so I learned one thing, that just be honest and confident on yourself.
So the 2 things important for an interview, in your opinion, will be your honesty and the confidence in which you are, talking about it. Very nice, very interesting. So that's really good. But if someone, like, once you got on board to IIM Udaipur and then your summer placements which were there, I think you were interning with Pidilite. So
Yes.
how was the challenge of working in a different stream right now, because this is your first job experience?
It was amazing, and the company is amazing because and the division I had was Fevicol, so it's even more amazing. So everything I'll say that I was so lucky that I got everything amazing. They made sure that our onboarding is done very smooth. It's a virtual process,
Yeah.
so they have to do it very carefully, and it was like a very smooth and seamless process. And we got lessons from great leaders. So it was the beginning was a kickstart for us. Okay, that we are entering into something very big and it can change our lives. So this feeling is also very important by being home. So our batch challenges are very different from the other batch challenges because we were at home and we had to push our imagination to an extent because it was like calling people, talking to them, and understanding how the work is done. So it's like you're plotting everything in your mind, and then you have to check that okay, this is the gap, this is the loophole, and then you have to suggest recommendations and all that. So it was very great. Work experience is different than what you actually do at college. It will actually put forward your foot to know that what a company wants. You learn a lot of things, but you have to apply a little, and you have to figure out that what is that particular little that a person expects from you. So, and I've never worked, and I've never thought that work is like this. I have always wondered that what people do in office. So now I got to know that what actually the work is, what are the projects they work on, how to keep like progressing. This is a very like a turn for me, and it was an amazing experience. I would like to thank Pidilite for that.
Amazing, that's really awesome. And I love the way you've been someone, I can surely say you're someone who's very structured and organized, which will take you really way ahead also to achieve greater things. So wish you all the best, Kiran, and keep doing really well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.